In this video, we are going to discuss about a new blockchain and I will show you the entire tutorial that how it will work. But before that, what's going on with BTC? Right now, the price of BTC is at $21,241 and already BTC touched $20,700. So what will be the next major move of BTC? Because from last 2 months the price of BTC is not moving according to the candles and according to the charts. So as per my own opinion, the price of BTC will pump before 25th of August and after 25th of August, at the time when the empty gox is going to give some withdrawals to some of their users, surely the price of BTC will come down due to the selling pressure. What do you think? Share with me in the comment section. Now we will move on to our major topic. Stay tuned.
Feel uninvited.
So guys, the name of this blockchain is Dogeswap. So how you can use the Dogeswap? It's entirely very easy. First of all, I will share the link of the chainlist.org in the comment section. Only and only you have to connect your metamask, and after connecting your metamask you have to write Dogechain in the search networks option, and then you will get the option of the Dogechain mainnet. Only and only you have to click on the add to metamask, and then this network will be added in your metamask. So guys, the second major step in our list is to convert the Dogecoin to Dogechain. For doing all these things, I will share the link in the comment section of the bridging. Then you will get the option of your address. But major thing is, please deposit at least $100 Doge. Any deposit lower than $100 Doge will be lost, and it will take around 5 minutes because deposits require 6 block confirmation of Dogecoin chain to be considered valid. So first of all, you have to connect your metamask over here, and after connecting your metamask, then you will get the option of the address of the Dogecoin. So you can easily send some amount of the Dogecoin to this address, and after sending that amount, it will take maximum 5 minutes to convert the Dogecoin to Dogechain. So this is our major second step. So after you will get some amount of W Doge, so I will also show you that one because already I get my W Doge. Now I will show you some major steps that how you can use the Dogeswap. So here you can see the Dogeswap is in front of us. So only and only you have to do at least 1 or 2 transactions on the Dogeswap, because right now this blockchain is booming, and as per my own opinion it will give us some good profits. So I will show you. So right now I'm going to convert W Doge to USDT. So it's entirely very easy. Only and only you have to click on the swap option, and here you can go. So it's entirely very easy thing, and easily we will get some good profit, because they are also saying that they are going to reward everyone who is going to use the Dogeswap. Everyone will be rewarded with the native altcoin, because right now the native altcoin is not live. So it's a very good thing that when the coin DC will be live, surely we will get some good profit. So what do you think? Share with me in the comment section. Thanks a lot.